A corporate legend, leading light, iconic leader, one of the greatest entrepreneurs of all time, and a visionary who changed the face of the Indian IT industry. He is none other than Narayana Murthy. He is the founder of Infosys and an Indian billionaire. He was chosen among the 12th greatest entrepreneurs of our time by Fortune magazine. He is also known as the father of the Indian IT industry. He was born on August 20, 1946 in a Brahmin family of Mysore. At school, he was a brilliant and a popular student who always stood first in class. He was fascinated by academics and especially loved technology and mathematics. He put his best effort into his preparation for IIT. He wrote the entrance exam in Bangalore and ranked 17, which was very impressive. But due to financial issues, he couldn't attend the IIT. He enrolled in the Bachelor of Electrical Engineering course at the National Institute of Engineering, University of Mysore. He got his degree in 1967 and was able to attend IIT Kanpur to do his MTech in Electrical Engineering on scholarship. There, he saw a computer for the first time. From 1967 to 1969, he studied at IIT, gaining knowledge about computers and their various components. After completion of his Master of Technology degree from IIT Kanpur, he joined the Indian Institute of Management in Ahmedabad, where he worked as a chief system programmer in 1969 with a limited salary of 800 per month. In IIM, he increased his knowledge of the fields of computer as well as gained valuable experience. He flew to Paris to join a company named CISA in 1972. CISA is the company which provides technological and digital innovation, supporting the partners and clients in their evolution path. He completed a project designing and installing a computerized cargo handling system at an airport in Paris and returned to Mysore in 1974. A bitter experience on a train that was Bulgaria police arrested Murthy because they thought he was criticizing the communist government of Bulgaria. They held Murthy in a cold room without food or water for over 72 hours. He had lost all hopes of his life. They released him after 20 hours and said that you are from a friendly country called India and that is why we are letting you go. This incident turned Murthy into compassionate capitalist from a confused leftist. It's led him to create his own company. After he formed Softronics, an IT service firm focused on the domestic market, but it only lasted a year and a half. He learned from his mistakes and moved on. Murthy met his wife Sudha in Pune where she worked for Telco. When Murthy joined Patni Computer Systems as a general manager in August 1977, they made plans to marry each other. On July 2, 1981, a determined Murthy and his 6 colleagues came together in a small apartment in Pune to start their company Infosys with a limited money balance of only $25 which was borrowed from Murthy's wife, Sudha Murthy. It was the first software company that had set up its office in Bangalore. Infosys is an Indian multinational information technology company. It is the second largest IT company in India. It provides business consulting, IT infrastructure management services, software testing services, and outsourcing services. In 1992, Infosys registered itself as a public limited company in India. In 1996, his wife Sudha Murthy started the Infosys Foundation. The year 1999 was a milestone year for Infosys. This year, Infosys earned $100 millions for the first time and was also listed on Nasdaq. It was the first Indian company to be listed on Nasdaq. Murthy served as the CEO of Infosys from 1981 to 2002. Later, he stepped down as a CEO and became chairman of Infosys, retired in August 2006 and served as a chief mentor till 2011. He got the Padma Shri Award and Padma Vibhushan Award from the Government of India and the Business Person of the Year Award from the Economics Times. His life story teaches us not to give up on our dreams. While achieving our dreams, we may face struggles and difficulties. But at that time, believe in yourself because your determination, burning desire and hard work eventually pay back.